So given that log 5 is equal to this and log 3 is equal to this, find log 45 without using mathematical tables. Log 45 will be log 9 times 5 to base 10, which is log 9 to base 10 plus log 5 to base 10. And log 9 to base 10 can be written as log 3 squared to base 10 plus log 5 to base 10, which is 2 log 3 to base 10 plus log 5 to base 10. And that gives me 2 multiplied by log 3 to base 10 is 0.477 according to what the value they give to us there. Then plus log 5 to base 10 is 0.699. 2 multiplied by this is 0.477 times 2 is 0.954 plus 0.699. And it was 1.653. 1.653. The answer there. The B part of this question says, hence solve x to the power of 0.8265 equal to 45. We take log to base 10 on both sides. So log 0.8265 to base 10 equal to log 45 to base 10. So that 0.8265 log s to base 10 is equal to log 45 to base 10. And log 45 to base 10 is 1.65 653 like we saw in question A. So I'm going to replace this now. 0.8265 log x to base 10 is equal to 1.653. That is the answer we got from the A part of this question. Dividing both sides by this, I have 8265 and 0.8265. And this is cancel. I mean log s to base 10 is equal to 1.653 divided by 0.8265 is 2. So now applying the law of logarithm by converting this to index form, s will be 10 to the power of 2, which is 100.